Hi guys! Today I want to talk about how to score 110 on your Duolingo English test. So I have a lot of students who are studying for Duolingo English test and I'm teaching many of them. And I also took Duolingo English test by myself and I was able to score 145. And I really want to tell you how to score well on the writing part. I want to tell you the most important things. So first thing is that I always emphasize this to my students, but you have to use synonyms. Many students repeat, easy words over and over, the same word. But one of my students, it was actually really cute and yeah, it was kind of funny because my student also laughed out a lot, but he used one same word 6 times in one sentence. So we found it really funny because I think he didn't even know. I think he used six times subconsciously. But anyway, so I really want my students to use a lot of synonyms, not just use one same word repeatedly, but use different words that have same meanings or similar meanings at least. I think it will really boost up your Duolingo English score, on writing part. Another thing that I always emphasize to my students is that using academic vocabularies. It's so important to use academic vocabularies. If you use just easy words, simple, like bad, good, nice, these are not gonna give you scores. You have to, let's say you wanna say it's everywhere, then you can use ubiquitous, right? Ubiquitous also means it's everywhere, right? Another thing, yeah, that's one example. And I have one academic vocabulary that I really like, but it's because my professors, when I was in college, they always use this word and it's actually regurgitate. And my professors used to say don't regurgitate, which means don't just, write down what you learned without, making it your own. You have to study and you have to digest. Let's say you're doing an assignment. You shouldn't just copy stuff from, notes from teacher or notes on the internet. You shouldn't just write that down. You should really digest it and write things that are from you, right? So there are a lot of lists of academic vocabularies that are available online. You can just Google it and you will find a lot. So 2 things that I really want to emphasize in order to score well on your writing part of Duolingo English test. 1, synonyms, and 2, academic vocabularies. Please use those. I always emphasize it to my students. So bye-bye.